It's 5:43. Matt and I are trying really hard to get 2 done today. I'm sorry, 3. 3. Maybe. Lord willing.
3 plus a few more purlins.
Well, it's 9 o'clock. Almost got 3 posts done. Almost. Probably 3/4 of the way through on this one. But it was the most productive day that we've had. We got 2 gable end purlins planed, 2 posts done, sanded. I should say brushed and sanded. That's kind of the finish that we're doing them. You kind of see what they look like when they're all completely done. It was a good day. Good job, Matt. Good night, shop.